Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 392, effective until 9 p.m. This watch includes the following counties: District of Columbia, and the following counties in Maryland: Charles, Frederick, Montgomery, and Prince George's, and the following counties in Virginia: Arlington, Clark, Culpeper, Fairfax, Fauquier, King George, Loudoun, Madison, Orange, Prince William, Rappahannock, Spotsylvania, Stafford, and Warren, and the following independent cities in Virginia: Alexandria, Fairfax, Falls Church, Fredericksburg, Manassas Park and Manassas, and Jefferson, West Virginia, and the following: Chesapeake,